necklace, and they were near impossible to get. I think it was a record for selling out, that these 100 necklaces that were produced sold out within minutes, and they were nearly impossible to get. Well, fortunately, I was able to receive one of them, and I am not displaying it, but I am saving it for the inaugural kickoff of our auction website in October of this year. So watch out for that to happen. There's going to be some of the most amazing diamonds auctioned, and I've put away diamonds that have not been seen for years, some green diamonds, some blue diamonds, some amazing yellow flawlesses, and some Argyle pink diamonds that I put away from 10 years ago, even before Argyle started laser inscribing their diamonds. So this is going to be tremendous. It's going to take the diamond market by storm, and we're the only company in the world that has this. So watch out for what's coming in October. And again, the diamond market is on fire right now. The reason for that is the state of the world economy. The fact is that if you have your money sitting in paper assets, I would be very, very concerned. You saw what happened with paper silver, over the last couple weeks. You don't want to have your money sitting in paper because it's so easy to liquidate and free fall. Well, the thing is that a rare color diamond is such an important asset to own at this point because, number one, it's a phenomenal asset that appreciates during the times that we're in right now and where we're heading to. During times of high inflation, colored diamonds went up 500% in 1979 and 80. Means that a diamond you could buy today for $20,000 will be a $100,000 diamond if we get the same inflationary situation that we saw back in 79 and 80, and there's no doubt in my mind that we're going to see that, if not more. I do believe we're going to see 20% interest rates within the next 5 years as the Federal Reserve has to raise interest rates in the U.S. In order to combat inflation. And every place around the world is inflation, and the only area that they're not admitting to and lying about it, basically, is in the United States because they're so concerned about hurting the almighty stock market and any recovery in real estate, which, by the way, is not happening. So you want to look at alternative assets. We brought to you the silver market 10 years ago. When we started our radio show, silver was at $4. We recommended selling stock and buying silver at $4. You could have bought 10,000 ounces of silver for $40,000 physically, and now that's worth $350,000. In fact, 2 weeks ago, it was worth $500,000. That's how important it is to hold these type of assets in your portfolio. Especially for the next 10 years, you've got an opportunity to make a tremendous amount of money in the gold and silver and diamond market. Now, the diamonds that we recommend, first of all, are yellow flawless diamonds, nearly impossible to get except through us. And basically, I've been in the diamond business and in the investment business for 35 years. I've seen it all. Back in 1980, you could have bought a yellow flawless diamond over a carat for about $500. Now, if you can get one, they're $15,000, $18,000, and soon to be $20,000 to $22,000 for a yellow flawless over a carat. The thing is that you want to own flawless yellows because they're the very best that money can buy. These diamonds never go down in value, ever. They double in price every 4 years, so most of our clients that buy them for retirement. You certainly couldn't depend on putting your money into your RSP into stocks and thinking that you're going to retire one day, because we've seen just in the two instances where the markets have gone against us and basically people's retirement savings plans have been wiped out. But that will never, ever happen with a diamond because they're not traded on exchanges like commodities and stocks are. So the other thing is there's so few of them available, you can't flood the market with diamonds, colored diamonds, because so few of them exist. So basically you want to own yellow flawless diamonds. They go up by about 25% a year. They double in price every 4 years, and during times of high inflation, they've gone up 500% in 2 years. So could you imagine putting $20,000 into a yellow flawless diamond and 5 years later finding that diamond worth $100,000? That's why our clients are putting their diamonds into a way for retirement purposes and for appreciation. But the other aspect is that they're a very, very safe investment that never goes down in value, and they're portable private wealth. In fact, in Europe, they call colored diamonds real estate in your pocket. You could literally walk around with $1 million diamond in your pocket or on your wife's finger, and nobody would even know. I can't tell you how many times I've crossed borders with my wife wearing a $300,000 or $400,000 or $500,000 diamond ring, and nobody said said boo. But try to cross a border with more than $10,000 in cash and see what happens to you. They confiscate and put you away in jail. So again, diamonds have always been that type of asset. Portable, private, nobody knows you own them, and with the government screwing up all over the world, you need to own something that nobody knows that you own that is portable private wealth. It's one of the most important recommendations that we've ever made to you, and we brought some amazing markets to you over the last decade. This is probably the most important. I've given these diamonds to my children growing up for their security and financial security. My older son bought his first home based on a diamond that my wife and I gave him. Now he's given us two beautiful grandchildren, and they both have diamonds put away for their future. Many of my clients have bought diamonds for their children and for their grandchildren because, again, as we do better in life, we certainly want to help our children do well also. I would very highly recommend, while you can still get them, fancy yellow, fancy intense yellow, and fancy vivid yellow internally flawless diamonds. The other thing about our diamonds is that colored diamonds are based on a scale from 1 to 10 color-wise. We only will purchase 8s, 9s, and 10s out of 10. And we reject the rest. So if you do happen to see a yellow flawless diamond with another firm, the chances are is that we rejected that diamond because it wasn't a strong enough color for the clients. And again, realizing that we deliver the diamonds directly to you and will sell the diamonds for you when the time is right to do so down the road. That's why we built the auction site for you. Again, it's important that we only sell the highest quality diamonds to our clients, diamonds that I would want to own myself. The other diamonds you want to own, which we brought up, are the Argyle pink diamonds. These are absolutely the most beautiful diamonds in the world. 90% of Argyle diamonds are under a quarter of a carat, so they're smaller diamonds. And the fact is that these smaller diamonds are so valuable, and they make up 95% of the world's pink diamonds, which is a small number. Only 200 carats a year, enough to fill the palm of your hand, are these amazing Argyle pinks. And the world has gone crazy for them. Oprah went crazy for them. That's why she designed that magnificent Oprah necklace that we're going to proudly auction at our first auction coming up in October. But these Argyle diamonds, they go up right now by about 25% a year. But the really exciting thing about them is when the mine closes down before 2018, then these diamonds can increase 8 to 10 times what we paid for them. And the fact is we went through that with blue diamonds, where blue diamonds, the mine that produces them in South Africa, the Cullinan mine, closed in 2005 because they weren't producing enough diamonds to keep the mine open. Blue diamonds went from 200,000 once the mine closed. 3 years later, they were up to 1.4 million, and now a very high-grade, vivid blue, flawless diamond type of thing is so rare that they can sell for up to 2 million a carat. So in a matter from 2005 to 2011, because there was no blue diamonds left, they went up over 1,000%, and that's what we anticipate will happen with the pink diamond market. So while you can still get them, these Argyle pinks will literally take your breath away. And because they're smaller diamonds, what we did is we came out with our new line of Argyle Dream Collection jewelry. We're the only firm that has them. So what we basically do is take these magnificent, beautiful pink diamonds, set them into platinum and diamond rings. We laser inscribe inside the ring all the information on your diamond. And what I did 10 years ago was something that really turned out to be very smart. I bought 200 little red diamonds. They're called millies. And basically, when they were affordable, I put them away 10 years ago. Now, you couldn't do this again today because red diamonds now go for $2 to $2.5 million a carat. But basically, I bought these little red diamonds 10 years ago, not knowing exactly what I was going to do with them. Now that we came out with a line of Argyle Dream Jewelry, which again is just off the charts magnificent, we decided that as a gift to our clients and as our signature, we're going to place one of these little red diamonds inside the band of every diamond ring that we make. So again, I'm very proud of the product that we're putting out. We only use the highest quality platinum millets, these little tiny pink diamonds that go around the main diamond have become so rare that in the past 2 months they've gone up 600%. So again, when you inquire into a pink diamond, we're going to send you a video of our diamond rings that will literally take your breath away. They're dazzling and they're masterpieces, and they all have little red diamonds inside them. The other thing is, I made the featured diamond this week. Every week we make a featured diamond, something really special. In the last 20 years, we've only seen maybe 2 or 3 of these type of diamonds, but vivid yellow flawless diamonds are the best color that you can get that GIA will grade a diamond. And basically, to get a round diamond that's colored is extremely rare. In white diamonds, they're the most common. In colored diamonds, they're the rarest and can literally double the price of any other diamond. So basically, the featured diamond this week is actually one of the rarest diamonds in the world. A 2-carat, it's a 211 actually, round, brilliant, fancy, vivid, fancy, vivid, yellow, flawless diamond. Now, as odd as it is, I have 2 of them. It's almost a match set, a 205 and a 211. These are not inexpensive diamonds. They sell in the range of $200,000 each, but these are diamonds that will be eventually 7-figure diamonds and almost impossible to get. But I did also acquire one other diamond this week that is extremely special, and I wanted to tell you about it. It's a .26 Asher cut, square emerald cut, which is a very, very rare cut of diamond. The color is intense pink. It's that bubblegum pink that is so sought after. And the amazing thing about this diamond is that it's nearly flawless. It's a VVS2. Most Argyle diamonds are graded on their color only. And they're all eye clean, and they're primarily SI1s and SI2s. To get an Argyle diamond that's nearly flawless, a VVS2, is extremely rare, and then put together with the fact that it's that bubblegum pink and a square Asher cut or a square emerald cut just makes this diamond extremely valuable. When we set that diamond into one of our Argyle Dream Collection diamond rings, it will skyrocket the price. A diamond ring that you can buy from us, let's say for $30,000, will be $100,000 to $125,000 at a store like Graff's or Harry Winston's. So we try to keep our diamonds, at a level that our clients can afford them. Because again, eventually we're going to have to sell these diamonds for you, and we want our clients to do extremely well, and that's why we do what we do. So again, just to recap, with the world financial markets the way they are, with countries going bankrupt, the United States dollar could not be here possibly in a few years, let alone it could be damaged severely. The euro may not be here. Other currencies are in trouble. You need to own an asset that could be sold in another currency because, again, you don't want to be trapped with all of your assets sitting in one currency. You want an asset that can get you across a border if you needed to. You want an asset that will go up when times are difficult, and you want to put away a safe asset that you can retire on, and that's the rare colored diamond market. So again, I'm extremely excited about what's happening in the markets that we've recommended to you. We brought you gold at basically $250. We brought you silver at $4. We brought you the euro at 87 cents and oil at $25. And basically, I still believe that one of the best recommendations we've ever made, especially with times the way they are right now, is the rare colored diamond market. And you want to look at the Argyle pinks, and you want to look at the yellow flawlesses, and they're going to help you get to where you want to go financially.
Speak with Harold about the featured diamond of the week. Go to his website, rarecoloreddiamonds.com, rarecoloreddiamonds.com. If you'd like to receive our free weekly newsletter, Harold can send it out to you. We have auction results from Sotheby's and Christie's. They had sales in Geneva this week. They are must-see results. Very, very positive for those that are already invested in the diamond market or just interested in doing so. Speak with Harold about getting the newsletter, getting the auction results. You can connect with him at rarecoloreddiamonds.com, rarecoloreddiamonds.com. The telephone number, 1-800-432-1022, 1-800-432-1022. And as we said last week, we had the quote in our newsletter, Nelson Bunker Hunt, just about anything you buy rather than paper is better. You're bound to come out ahead in the long pull. If you don't like gold, use silver or diamonds or copper, but something. Any damn fool can run a printing press. And that's what we're currently seeing around the world, any damn fool running a printing press. To invest in precious metals, Harold recommends only one company. They're a Canadian company. They've been doing this for over 10 years. They're experts in this field. They specialize in it. Those are the people you want to deal with. Worldwide Precious Metals. Their website, wwpmc.com, wwpmc.com. The telephone number, 1-866-623-2002. And they have lowered their minimum amount of silver